Negative additive manufacturing, or AM, is a cost-effective method to produce ultra-hard, dense ceramic parts into complex shapes that would not have been possible by traditional casting methods.
The use of an aerogel in this technique is unique. It serves both as a gelling agent with little to no shrinkage during casting, and also as a well-dispersed carbon source for sintering after pyrolysis.
Gel casting into 3D printed molds is a versatile technique that can be extended to other materials. The resorcinol-formaldehyde gelling agent is best suited for carbon-bearing systems.
To begin, prepare a 2-part suspension to help prolong the shelf life of the suspensions before casting. To do so, create the R mix by dissolving 0.88 grams of polyethylene imine in 25.00 grams of water using a planetary mixer. To create a separate F mix, dissolve 0.88 grams of polyethylene imine in 16.83 grams of water using a planetary mixer. Now dissolve 12.60 grams of resorcinol powder into the R mix. The solution should turn from a cloudy white to a clear transparent solution after complete dissolution of the powder from mixing. Also, add 17.03 grams of formaldehyde solution to the F mix and ensure complete mixing. At this point, incrementally add 5.25 grams of boron carbide powder into both the R mix and F mix separately. Then add 6.50 grams of acetic acid to the R mix and F mix and ensure complete mixing in each.